From Assembly Magazine headquarters in Birmingham, Michigan, this is Assembly Audible, where we connect great ideas in product assembly to you. As manufacturers adopt physical AI and vision sensing systems on the plant floor, the biggest question isn't the technology, it's where the human fits. Chris Draper, CEO and co-founder of Morgan AI, explains.
The challenge in both of those, whether it be vision, whether it be any of the physical AI and items, is again, what is the role of the human in that safety system? And we think about these in three general forms. We have in the loop, on the loop, and out of the loop human control. In the loop is probably the most stated but misimplemented process, which basically says, if my system has something that isn't proven to be right, it will stop. That human will stop that system and prevent it from going forward unless everything is exactly perfect. That's a true human in the loop system. And those systems end up with high levels of safety. They end up with ensuring that we don't get things going through that weren't right without the human signing off on them. And we want to, that's for certain areas, it's very, very good, but it isn't very efficient because if the human has to sign off on everything, I'm not getting much real automation going. I then have human out of the loop, which says the system is fully controlled and the human can't even step in and fix something because the system's been designed well enough, it's running effectively on its own and it can actually go and track all these things correctly. That's very, very good. That's like a Waymo. If you're taking the Google Waymos, cars, there's no driver in there and the back person can't do anything about anything that's happening. That's an out of the loop system. But the problem is the vast majority of our systems we're implementing right now are on the loop systems. What it's saying is, let the system run until the human catches an error. Those are incredibly dangerous. Those have to be rolled out very thoughtfully. I argue in most of my strategy work, you should never have a human on the loop system in production because a human on the loop in production is like a Tesla. It can theoretically be autopilot, but if it starts working well enough, the human who is supposed to be your safety feature gets worse. They get comfortable. They start missing errors because they assumed it was right 80% of the time, and then we just start missing a majority of that 20% I'm supposed to catch.
If you want to understand how these systems actually work and where they can fail, we go much deeper in our full conversation, dropping on assemblymag.com on May 7th.